saw, they raised it to his lips. Jesus took the wine and said, "It is accomplished." Then he bowed his head and gave up the spirit. Meditation. He is nailed to the cross. He made himself both priest and sacrificial victim to reconcile humanity with God. This is not just for the Jews, because this one sacrifice of Jesus completes the law, so that all people and race are called to this new covenant. Mary has so identify with this action of Christ that she is made the mother of all disciples. She is the mother of the church, which is now created by the blood of Christ and water of baptism that flows from his bare heart. It is finished. It is completed. Let us